Alright guys, welcome back. Jared at 3Cs. Check it out. The new RXs are here. These are the 2026s. 250 here is and 350 is on the other side. I'm going to do something a little different with our video because I'm sure Beta already gave the press all of the bikes and they got a lot of videos on them. And we're not really a motocross dealership anyway. We do have Bryn. He's our 450 Pro guy, which is great. But these are brand new bikes. We're a Woods dealership and we want to give you like the wood side of things because we have a lot of guys that want to convert these. So let's jump into it and we'll show you right from scratch how they come into us. Right off the bat, you'll see this is the 250 RX with this single spark plug design there. And I'm not going to go into too much detail because we're going to do walk-arounds once we get these things uncrated. Just thought I would show you how they come, right? So these are straight out of the box, right from Italy. And this is everything that comes with a new RX. So if you're looking at a 2026 and you're wondering how it comes, all this stuff was in a box directly underneath the frame there. So number plate, bar mount bolts, fork support, so this is like a transportation thing there, and your side stand, battery, bar pad, map switch, your USB drive with the owner's manual on it, and then your frame guards. So this is how the bikes come to us as a dealer. We basically, initially throw the handlebars on, dielectric grease stuff, and just do initial prep. Beta has a whole sheet we go down through and make sure it's all set up correctly. So we will do that to both of these, and we'll put some two-stroke fuel on them, and we'll run them here in a second. All right, getting fully set up here. Got the Fortner crew doing steel here today. Lunchtime, so that means it's time to put some two-stroke gas in this 350. So Chris has got it all set up for me. I just ran the carb screw in a little bit because I always like to do that. Okay. And that's probably enough, Gavin. That'll get us started. We'll top her off later before she goes home. Actually, this is going to get an IMS tank on it. So, all right, so there's that. We good on the battery, Chris?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, battery's good. And let's turn the gas on. Oh, there's no reserve on this one, being the RX. So here it is, true first start. Oh. You want to hard zero that? That's pretty gnarly. Let it warm up for a second here. Oh my gosh.
It's almost got that 500 grumble.
Dude, I didn't even blipped it yet. Man, that thing just wants to look at a cam in it almost. There's not that vibrating though, feel it. Like, obviously at an idle it kind of is, but give it like a little bit of RPM. Cleans up pretty good.
Yeah, definitely smooths out.
I love how everybody's like, you just revved it out. I'm like, no, it's not even like a quarter throttle. Let it warm up here. Might have to turn the idle up a little bit, yeah, but I like to wait. I like to wait until it's like somewhat warmed up. Turn that black one in a little bit, Mark. It's that screwdriver right there. There's a flathead right there on the ground. Yeah, there you go. Give it a blip, see what it likes. Oh yeah. Man, that sounds gnarly. Grab a handful of it. It takes a second. Like, I just see chain sprockets and tires being replaced all the time. Like that tire, I don't care what you choose, is not staying on that bike.
It sounds throaty for sure.
So throaty. Well, when you guys get done, we'll get this thing off the crate and we should put a different rear rim on it real quick. yeah. Get it done so we can get. Dang. Huh. Sounds good though. True first start. Just talked to Tyler, and I told him we were gonna ride in the grass. Do you want to ride it?
Heck yeah.
Let's cut this thing out of the crate.
Brand new out of the crate.
That's right.
That's how you know it's good.
That's how you know you know. Couple on the back there. We're gonna keep these wheels and the suspension off his. So Tyler's got a 300 RX 24, and so he's got his suspension all done for himself, his other stuff. So we're gonna swap all this off, keep this for the new bike, or for his trade-in.
What's those?
Got you in a bad spot because all this construction back here.
Yeah, what's all this construction?
All new concrete going in next week. It's gonna be sick. Guys, just happened to show up on the day we uncrate it, Danny.
Oh man, dude, the clutch on this thing feels like it's got some springs to put up with that.
Oh yeah, it's definitely stiffer.
To put up with 350 cc.
You're used to that 125 life now.
True. That's right.
So it's definitely warmed up. We've been running it a little bit.
It sits up really tall for sure.
So RXs normally do, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks so good in the camera right now though,
Dude,
like the
the
lighting.
colors on these are so good. When I was wearing that 360 cam riding the 450 RX, like that video looks incredible. It's just like
looks so good.
Yeah, it looks awesome.
How's that suspension feel?
Yeah, this feels good.
That's why I think he wants to keep his, and I don't blame him. He's got it all done for him.
For sure.
All right, we'll go rip this thing down the grass right here.
Sounds really good.
It does. Oh my gosh.
Clutch is not adjusted how I want it.
It's gonna be first gear everywhere. He stalls it. Can you believe that? It just like wheelies everywhere. That was basically a roll-on. Still gonna take some time to warm up too, obviously.
I think it's got too much power to even feel how much power it has.
All right, Mark, ride this thing. This is my 24-hour KX500 team right here. You guys are used to riding that. Well, you have ridden that KX500, Bill.
Yeah, that thing really doesn't feel much off of that. A little bit less, but
How do you ride with that much?
it's fresh out of the crate.
Can we just? I gave him the zip tie cutter.
Test tried it with that much play in that thing. Look at how much I just got a corner.
Italians giving it to us.
Yeah.
So what'd you think of it, Danny?
It feels good. It's got not lacking any power. It sounds so good. I love it.
I mean, it would be a second gear woods race bike.
Oh yeah. I don't know if I would want one personally for the woods, but I'm sure there's a market for it for like the motocross guys that want all the power they can possibly get.
Dude, put a recluse clutch in that thing and just like just idle it around in the woods.
Yeah.
Definitely reminiscent of the 500.
Is it?
Yeah. Not quite that bad.
It sounds so good.
It sounds amazing.
Huh.
Dude, that pipe is pretty fat. That
Yeah.
thing's got some size to it.
Yeah, it sure does. Huh. I just think like guys can put, like I told him, recluses in this thing and just freaking idle it around the woods.
If you geared it lower and definitely softer suspension, it would be fun.
I think so too. And compared to our KX500 build, this has electric start.
Yeah.
Which,
It still starts really good too. The starter's not struggling.
yeah, that's a good point. Like it's not like bogged down at all.
Yeah.
I started it in gear and it took right off.
That's pretty cool. Gonna sell a bunch of them, that's for sure.